In this guide, I'm going to help you through fixing issues with X.com, direct messages, formerly known as Twitter. Often, this is a simple browser problem that can be resolved quickly. If your DMs aren't loading, sending, or if the message panel is behaving unusually, I'll cover two effective solutions step by step. So first, you need to log out and clear cache and log back in. So go ahead and completely log out of your Twitter account. Click on the three dots and then select log out from your account and then log back in. Now check your direct messages and see if the problem is resolved. And if not, what you could do is, in many cases, this alone will fix the problem by providing a fresh session and removing any corrupted data. But you can go ahead and test it in an incognito or the private window as well. On your Google Chrome web browser, click on the three dots and select New Incognito Window. And here, go to X.com, then after log into your Twitter account. And if the direct messages work in incognito mode, it still indicates that the problem is likely related to your web browser, profile, extensions, or saved site data. If this still don't work, the issue might be with the X itself or require further troubleshooting for your account. However, for most users, logging out, clearing cache and cookies, and then testing in an incognito window quickly resolves the problem. So go to three dots in the top right corner, click on Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, select Delete Browsing Data, select Cached Images and Files, and then also select your time range and select Delete Data. Then reload the X website and your chat should now be working. Otherwise, you can also try opening the another profile from your Google Chrome and then try logging into your X account and see if it resolves the issue. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.